OTS, is that how you say it? OT, outfit of the day, girl. My meal is all over the place today. I just grabbed a couple things so I could kind of see what I like, what I don't like. This is French toast, an omelet, chicken breast, bacon, honeydew, watermelon, and I do not know what this is, but we're gonna give it a try.
Got it?
Look at it. Go to sleep. That is cool.
It's very, very wonderful.
So what?
A lot of stuff here on the island here. So what we do here normally, we eat the guava. Is to split open the guava.
Oh wow.
And get the fruit. Hold this.
Beautiful.
I want you to eat it.
Okay.
Oh
my gosh. Okay.
Icing.
Okay.
So
how do we eat it?
take this, you will eat the skin and the seed together. So what you do is try it.
Okay. Oh, hello. Okay, so I can eat this whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't eat all like once because why there's a lot of seeds and the seeds very hard. So just bite piece.
Okay. Like, a little piece.
Just
I'm nervous. Okay.
It's very seedy because the seed is used for all of the stuff there in the body there.
Is it actually good? Can I have another one? Another piece?
No, all is yours.
Oh, all is mine?
But if when we come back in one next one, I'll get one for you.
Okay.
And what they do, they normally they get the work and then they contact me to do the hikes. Okay. So all the hikes I'm doing.
We walk.
Huh?
You guys need an elevator.
For one. I don't have legs.
When you come back, this is too much.
Okay, so.
I was not there. Was it fun?
Very fun.
It was a lot of people?
Yeah. So why didn't you go?
Why did I go?
So what do you do later, like today? You wanna go have fun?
Have fun?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my God, this man is crazy. Oh my God. Crazy. Ridiculous. Thank you.
Cheers.
Huh?
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh.
Does it get angry?
No angry, just.
If I go near it, what's it gonna do?
You want it on you?
No, I just want it near. No, near it.
okay,
I don't
you
want
can
it
do
on me. I just want to be beside it. I'll be beside it on this side.
You go closer. Very soft, yeah. Lovey. Anybody else want him? Yes. Okay. Come in.
Is it a monkey? Yeah. Everybody wants to be in the picture. Exactly. Okay, just wanted to get out of the bus.
We come face, okay?
I don't shake because we're going to do my shaking. See.
Come on, Lovey. Come closer. A little closer, yeah.
Yep.
Banana finish, you know? Yes, I don't want to give the meat. I give him the meat, you just go back and go.
He's kind of happy.
Yeah.
That's really strong, man.
It's really heavy. Bye. One last one. So I got some food from the umbrella. I smashed these fries. They was fake as hell. They was cold, but they just brought my food out. Now my wings still got a little heat on them, and the chicken tacos still got a little heat on them. It was supposed to be 4. They gave me 3. I really 0 out of 10. I'm not recommending it. There's so many people in there. It just was ridiculous. It was so many people. I waited hours for this finger food. It shouldn't have took an hour for this small stuff. But nevertheless, the fries were ass. Because they were cold. They were cold, but I was so hungry, so I ate those first. Came with a little side of barbecue sauce, which I'll use for my wings. I'm hoping that these is 10 out of 10s, and this is a 10 out of 10, at least an 8 out of 10, because they look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and smash right now, and I will be back. Good morning, Jews and Jems. We are here with another vlog. It is currently raining. It's 7:36 in the morning. I have a pickup time to go snorkeling at 8:30, and it's 7:30, and it's raining again. It rained yesterday, and it stopped where I was at in St. Andrews. But when I came back, it was like still wet over here in St. George. But Lord, I'm sorry. So I'm about to hurry up and get dressed because I need to go downstairs and eat, come back upstairs to brush my teeth and put my things on. So let me hurry up. I just want to do my intro really quick and get my day started. So I'll see y'all in a bit. This is the lounge area. That's the buffet, and that is the other restaurant. I'm going over to the front. Look at these spa prices. Hold on. We're off.
So we'll have some guys in the water, you guys to take you around. So for those of you just want to, if you just want to paddle around and just to look at the coral by yourself, that's fine. If you want to go with the guys, then fine, you can follow him. He'll take you around. They will take you around and show you the various corals and sea plants and stuff. Okay. We have a board ladder at the front which you used to go off and on. Those of you are agile enough, you want to jump up the side, you can do so, but you join the guys at the front section. Of course, as I mentioned before, once you try the flippers on and they fit you, you do not walk on the deck with the flippers in the feet. You put them on next to your point of entry. For those of you who are not strong swimmers, we recommend use a life jacket, which is a solid jacket. So if there's a problem or you're tired, you can relax in a solid jacket. Now, our mask is sanitized, but what we do, there's a normal trend that every time you have mask, you inside. We don't do that. So we put dishwashing liquid in the mask. So for two reasons. One, it takes away the water mask in the glass. And two, as you have the oil from the fingers goes in the glass, so the soap washes it out. So you rub this inside and outside. When you get into the water, you wash it properly. Then all the soap comes out, so you get a nice clean vessel. Okay, so that's the reason why you put the soap in the mask. So remember to wash it properly when you go into the water, okay? Now see you guys?
Alright, so put your hands out. Right, rest your hands in the water. Bring your hand down in the water. What does it feel like?
It feels like it's poking me.
Alright, so guys, in the Caribbean we have got seals here. We have got black, we've got the red, we've got the white. These are the edible ones. Right?
Oh, wow.
Alright, so we eat those. Tasty. Have you ever had caviar?
No.
Have what?
Caviar?
Yeah.
So, it's a delicacy. That's a delicacy here. Very similar to caviar.
Oh, wow.
Right?
It feels like it's poking you? Yeah.
It's like a porcupine here. Hey, it's like stuck to me. Yeah, it does that.
Oh, wow.
I got you. Over there.
I know, I already recorded.
You just recorded everything. You going on the Alright, the next stop you're supposed to be right around here. Right. Alright, so this one is the first ring. I'm gonna explain to you guys when I go over to the next one.
guys can dive them until this one here.
Two statues and two plaques.
Okay.
I don't know how you call it.
Alright. Alright, if you look carefully under here, guys, you're gonna see some faces. They're everywhere. We call them the Valley of Faces. Good guess.
All right, guys, I am back from snorkeling. Just took a shower, changed. So I got the red bikini on. With my little shoes, I'm gonna go down to the beach. Oh, before I go to the beach, I need to stop by. I wish this was not right here, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna go by the spa and see if I can book a spa massage for today, because that snorkeling really did something. It took me out. And the hiking yesterday took me out. I've been really working out. And I also need to book my transportation to go back to the airport tomorrow. My plane boards at 3 something, but takeoff is not until 4:04. So with that being said, I need to make sure. Now it's close, like it's like a 3 to 5 minute walk up the road, so I could most definitely, if anything, go like walk, but I'm not dragging that luggage on no gravel road. So yeah, I'm gonna see what they say. We got one more day. Tomorrow is a photo shoot. It's probably gonna blow y'all away. I can't wait till y'all see it. But yeah, I've been having fun so far. So let me book my transportation, book my spot, and get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go down to the beach. Yeah. I am in a sauna. I brought my little purse with me because I didn't want to leave it out there in the lockers. But yeah, it's hot. Bitch, it's hot. I only been in here for 2 minutes. She said to stay in here for 20 minutes. It's hot. Real hot, real bad. So yeah. But that's the cold. This is the temperature. And that's in Celsius. So I really don't know what it means. 15 Celsius. I don't know, child. All I know is I'm hot. I'm very, very hot right now. And the so I guess it's the actual thermostat. So right now it's the 90. I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna go in here last. This is the ice bowl. When I'm finished, I'm about to go into the steam room. Very misty. This is the spa. I'm about to go upstairs and get my 25-minute Swedish massage. First of all, oh shit, this is heated. I'm feeling like royalty in this bitch. Heated neck massage, infused water, a private room. This is the other side of the resort. There's a restaurant up here, a kiddie pool, another pool, but I'm gonna go this way. A restroom. Let me show you. I'm not really dressed, but it's cool. Hey, I'll have to. Here we go. Okay. There we go. And a nice little bar. This is the other restaurant. All right, Gems, it is the last night and I am packing up my bags. This goes on my check bag. I have all my valuables, my money, my wallet, my passport, and my keys. Yeah, this is my carry-on bag, but it's not done yet because I have a photo shoot in the morning at 10 o'clock. So I have to wait to pack my carry-on bag because I might need to put other stuff in there. So right now, these are the things that actually go in my carry-on bag. This is the jewelry that I'm wearing tomorrow for my photo shoot. The earrings, the necklace, and the anklet. This is just always there. You know, they restock this daily. This is my rubber band tie. I do to make my puff balls, so don't mind that. This is what I'm wearing tonight to bed. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow for my photo shoot. This is my cover up, but when I, go on the taxi, I'll probably put this on. My tripod is still up because I actually just didn't take it down. Those are the shoes that I'm wearing, which don't match my outfit for the airport. So I don't know if I might change my shoes. I have some white shoes, but whatever at this point. That's my dirty clothes in the white bag from all the clothes I did wear. It's a lot of clothes I didn't wear, so I really need to stop packing so much stuff. But yeah, on this side is all the shoes and stuff like that, and this is the outfits, and yeah, as you can see. And then my blanket that goes in my carry-on. This is the breakfast outfit. This is the airport outfit, and this is the bra and panty set that I will be wearing underneath there. As you can see, my bed is still made. I just spent like 3 hours washing, detangling, and twisting my hair. I'm probably gonna go out to the balcony one last time. Charging my other phone. It's 11:02 over here. So I haven't even packed up my hair products because they're currently still wet because I literally just got out the shower, like literally. So what I'll do is in the morning when they're dry, then I'll pack them in my check bag because, of course, they're going to throw that away. They're going to throw that away. So, yeah. Yeah. So we're almost done. It only took me like an hour to arrange my bag. I won't say pack it because it's not technically packed. Now I do have my towels down here. I just like to do a little final walkthrough, but I'll probably do another one in the morning just for insurance purposes in case they ever be like, oh, she broke something, that's that and the third. I just go around and record the hotel one last time so people, if they ever try to pull that trick, I could pull their card and be like, gotcha, bitch. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and crack open the water because I am a little dehydrated. I've been in the shower for almost 3.5 hours. And crack on some TV and just reflect. I'm very sad that I'm leaving. I'm not gonna lie. I had a great time in Grenada. I really think this is number one. If you guys know, you know St. Lucia has been number one. Like after all the other trips, it's always been St. Lucia number one. Everything else number 2, 3, 4, 5. Grenada has stolen slot one. Now it's St. Lucia, then all the other countries. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning when I am on the way to breakfast or on the way to the beach. So good morning. Yeah, it is 7:22, and I'm procrastinating getting up out this bed, girl. It's just too much for my mind to get out of this bed right now. I have to be out. When I turned my TV on, it was a thing that was like, you have to be downstairs at the front desk like by 12 o'clock, which I guess, it's cool, So, when I come back, because my thing is only from 10 to 10:30, the photo shoot. So when I get back, it's probably be like 11. So then I'll come here, pack my stuff up, like throw the stuff in the carry-on bag, throw my valuables in my carry-on bag, and zip up my check bag and go downstairs and wait till 1 o'clock because my transportation doesn't come till 1, and I'm not leaving this resort until 1 because the airport is so small. Not like in a shady way. It just actually is very small. And when we got there, it literally was no other plane there at all. So, not to say that it won't be multiple planes taking off. So, you know what I'm saying? But the actual size of the airport, I do not think at most it'd probably be 3 to 4 planes taking off today at the same time or around the same time as me. So 1 o'clock is really good because it literally is only 2 minutes away from me. Like, we left the airport and I couldn't even get a video of us driving because before I knew it, we were at the resort. I was just pulling out my camera to load the, hit the little button and go down and hit the video, and baby, it's Royalton Grenada, the sign out front. Oh my God. So it's literally like not gonna take anything but 2 minutes for us to, once I leave at 1, I'll probably be there at 1:02. You know what I'm saying? And then I could chill out at the airport, go through TSA, check my bag, get my tag, get my boarding pass, go to my gate and just vibe, just vibe. You're not just vibing. I have a 3-hour layover in Miami. I think it's a 3-hour layover. So I get back through, they're going to make us go through customs and probably through TSA again, possibly. So at that time, I'll try to use my global entry again because they have global entry kiosks when you get back from, international trip. So I'll put my global entry, known traveler number in, and then that's how I will bypass customs because customs normally be buku crazy. It'll take like an hour to get through customs. So we're not doing that today. We're not. And my plane to Tampa don't leave until 10:44 at night. So I'm not supposed to get back until 11:46. But it don't take but 30 minutes. It don't take but nothing but 30 minutes to get from Miami to Tampa, because when we came from Tampa to Miami, we were there before I could even open up my book to read. We got a bag of peanuts, not really peanuts, but we got a snack and a drink, and we were back on the ground. So I'll probably be home like 11 something. I gotta wait to get my bag again from from TSA. What is it called? Baggage claim. Lord Jesus. Baggage claim, and I gotta take the train over to the parking garage, and then I can finally go home. I have a very full day. I'm really trying to hurry up and get out of this bed because, baby, this is my last day here. Like, I am not with all this keeping on my bag. And to whoever took my lock off my suitcase, you will be dealt with. I'm pissed about that. Very highly pissed that I had a lock on my suitcase when I left from American Airlines baggage check-in, and when I got my bag in Grenada, there was no lock on it. So I don't know who thought, oh, let me bust her lock open. I don't know if it's somebody in the back trying to sniff and smell and thought something was in there, baby. But let me tell you something. You should have put my lock back on or replaced it or left a tag and said that this, that, the third. Because now I'm going to go to the American Express line and claim that and see if they'll give me a new one for free. Yeah. Okay, this is the outfit for today. If it will focus, this is the outfit for today. Get into it. Hold on. It's a little push to the side. So, yeah. Period. I am here for the 10 o'clock kayak appointment and nobody's here. I don't really know what to do. So, and you have to pay for the chairs to sit down, so I'm kind of SOL right now. Don't know what to do. And I have to use the bathroom. So, awesome.
You gonna take off your...
I just get in it like that? Nothing, just sit down? I just go now?
Yeah, do the instructions.
Okay. Off, we're here getting food. There's some of this jerk. my last little day. I'm about to leave. I've already got my check bag. It's just beautiful. And this is the airport. So I'm about to go into the store and see if I can get something. So. We are here.